Hello DIY doers and welcome to another Cricut lesson video. So Cricut brought out a new update. In this update you can actually view age-appropriate content. So to enable this feature or disable this feature, you can go to your little picture up the top here, go to Settings, and then Content, and we have this mature content. So we can hide all mature content, or we can press show. Yes, I am over the age of 18. And you can then pick and choose what content you would like to display. So if you wanted to find something saucy for a hen's night that you're decorating for or something, you can always turn this on, press done, and it will update your settings. You can also do this in the app on your phone. If you open the Cricut Design Space app on your phone, we go to the hamburger menu up at the top left corner. Do the drop down for settings and then content settings. And you can turn on and off whatever content you want to see.